Hello, this is cybersecurity expert Reginald Andre, and I am back. I know it's been a couple of months since I did one of these lives to let you know what's going on with your business. I apologize. I've just been really tied up on the business, and this YouTube channel is free for you. So I, of course, have to take care of what pays the bills rather than focus on the YouTube channel. But I do plan on coming back more often and giving you, the business owner, the most up-to-date information on what is happening in the cybersecurity world. So again, thank you for your patience and allowing me to be absent for a couple of months. So today I wanted to talk about a vulnerability that is very important for your employees to know about, and it's called Follina, Folina. And it was discovered yesterday, or at least notified to the community, and it's the Microsoft Office Code Execution CVE 2022-30190. And why is this important? It's because if one of your employees takes this file onto their computer, if they get an email and they open this document or even preview the document, and in some cases they're saying even if the document is downloaded, it can bypass a lot of the security measures that you have because of the way this code is implemented inside the Word document. It can bypass your firewalls, bypass if you have Office 365 and you're using their 365 threat intelligence, it bypasses that. And what it can do is it can install programs, it can view or delete data, create new accounts in your user right. There's a lot of stuff that it can do. And Microsoft security researchers right now are trying to figure out how to stop it because unfortunately, as of May 31st, there is still not a way Microsoft is telling you, or not an easy way Microsoft is telling you to be able to stop this threat. And antiviruses, there's cases you can look up on Twitter. I can put a link below as well, where you can see that one of the best antivirus companies that are on this one of these test computers, and it's not detecting it, and it's now being exploited. So, as I mentioned, if someone receives the Word document or they previews it, what it now does is talks to an external site, and then it executes a command. So even if, for example, you have Joe user, and he opens up this Word document, and even if he's not an administrator of the computer, but it now downloads this onto the computer. Now this virus can now laterally move across your network and start doing a lot of stuff. So Microsoft is giving a fix, which is within the registry. And as you know, in our channel, we don't like to talk tech. We just like to talk business owner to business owner. And unfortunately, whenever you start dealing with the registry, there's just so much things that can go wrong. And being that Microsoft is saying do this to the registry, you never know what that can break. So it's better in this case for most environments not to mess with the registry because there could be unexpected consequences. So right now, what I'm informing business owners to let your employees know is that you should let them know that to, of course, always be careful of an email that they're receiving that they're not expecting. And if it has a Word document, don't download it, don't preview the file. Now, the sad part and the scary part about this is that it could be from someone from another company, one of your vendors, one of your suppliers, one of your customers that is sending this Word document. Your employee thinks that, oh, okay, Sarah from, one of our customers is sending me this document to look at. And Sarah could be sending it because her systems is infected, and she doesn't even know that it's being sent, or she doesn't know that the file has this malicious execution in it. So that's the scary part, because someone can now be sending your employees something that looks legit, and it can be legit. The document can have all of the information that the document has, but then it has code within it that's now the problem. So this is why this is such a big vulnerability. And unfortunately, right now it's called a 0 day, which means that we are literally, not even a full day with this out. And Microsoft is now scrambling to fix this. And of course, what normally then happens is they put out an alert or bulletin to let IT know, do a critical update onto your systems, and then depending on your antivirus and other security items that you have, they also update and then they block. But right now it's out in the wild, and even though it's out in the wild, and when the antiviruses catch this, if your system is not protected properly, if it's not patched properly, if you're not getting the updates on a timely manner, this is going to be out for a long time. So even if people, even if it's now the vulnerability is known and there's a way to fix it, if your systems are not being up to date on a timely and proper manner, it's still going to affect you. So this is a very serious item, and we hope that this was useful. And again, I look forward to more of these, at least once a week, I would say, once a week lives, letting you know what's going on in the cybersecurity world. So thank you so much. And if you haven't liked or subscribed our YouTube channel, please go ahead and leave a comment. I hope everybody has been well, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.